Hello guys, this is me Carolyn coming to you from MC Beaters, and I just wanted to show you guys a Target slash Michaels haul. So to begin with my Michaels haul, I'll start simply. I got a new pair of scissors and these are really inexpensive and I used my teacher discount, so got that. And I also purchased, these were only $3.99. As we all know, these are like $20 I think originally. So this is for when I get my Etsy orders and my eBay orders. I like to always include a thank you card. So these are really pretty. So you have some of these with the aqua print and the pink paisley. I like some of these, they're blank, they don't say anything, so you can make it whatever you want it to be. And some of the green paisley. There's yellow in here. Oh, look at this. I love this one. I mean, for $3.99 and you get 50 sets, this is like incredible. Oh, this one is nice. Look at the fuchsia. That's pretty. And what other colors? I think that's it. These are great like spring colors too, since they are liquidating out everything from the winter. So yeah, I like to have these here and ready to go when I'm doing my thank yous. So I'm actually going to keep it right here. And this way I have it. So that is that. So let me show you my scissors away. Okay, so let's start with these stickers. I went crazy with the stickers. I buy them because I like to include them on my packages when I ship them out, and also for crafting when I send Happy Mail, stuff like that. So I got these. These are really cute. These were all $1. And then these with the rhinoceros and the other. Got these from my student. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, this is all Pug Unicorn Life. These are really, really cute, and they were also $1. Got these for crafting because I like to put a lot of the forest animals on my ornaments and just use as embellishments. These as well, I like to use on ornaments when I put the glossy accent and the diamond dust. These, just because they're butterflies, and like I said, on packaging. I mean, I have no use for whales, but they are just adorable. Then I got these for Valentine's Day. Kind of shocked these were only $1. And these for my Easter Happy Mail. So I got a lot of stickers. Yes. I did pretty good at Michaels. Then I went on to Target and I found these adorable ornaments, and they were 70% off. So cute. So again, I might include this in my Happy Mail as package toppers or something. So I got this one and I got this one. These are just so cute. I wish I knew how to make these. Marianne would probably figure this out in 2 seconds. And I got this one. I love this one. Reminds me of the kid in Home Alone. And I got this one. I mean, come on. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I got this. It's like a huge tag, but obviously use it for decoration. And this was 70% off, and I think this was only like $3. And this is for a friend. I was going to put that on their package for their Christmas gift. So this is all. Oh, I forgot most importantly. Okay, so I also wanted to show you guys, this is a completed purse charm I finished for a friend, and with the princess and all the beautiful crystals, but I was also waiting on to put some more charms on here. So I just received these a few days ago, so I'm going to be putting some charms on here to make it even more girly girl, and then I will show you guys how that will look. Okay, so this is how it looks. I included a pink shell and a, whoops, let me see if I can turn that around. There we go. It looks like a very soft pastel colored cherry. Moving it around, I have a pink poodle. I just can't. And then going this way, I have a pink pretty little flower. And then we have a pink kitty cat. Pink kitty cat. If you guys can see this. This is my favorite. Look at this. This is like a little sheep. I can't. And then another pink poodle. And what else? And this is the way it faces on the handbag or wherever she should choose to. Oh yeah. Look at that pretty shell. Another. So this is how it will look. And now I'm going to package it. Just put all this stuff aside. Okay. What I like to do is put it, I like to secure this because I have glass and crystal beads. So I want to make sure that this is really, really secure. So I'm going to be putting it into 2 of these. Oops, no. Okay. Then I've chosen this little baggie to put it in and wrap it in because it is pink and you need to stay with the whole theme of pink. Okay, I'm going to put cute little lace and my lip mask. So I'm going to put it on top before I actually I'm gonna do it this way. Do it this way. And I think I'm going to gift her these as well. These are just so cute. And why not, right? Okay, I should take off the price tag. Okay, so here she is. Here the gift is. Now I am going to one of these. And I will put her address label on this. And it will look pretty because I like pretty things. So that is what I am shipping out today. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.